Today we show you how to set the valve for cosine filter. After the valve is powered on within 1 minute, if you don't press these buttons, they will remain locked. Press and hold the up and down for 5 seconds at the same time. After hearing a D sound, unlock completed. Once unlocked, you can press the first menu button to start the settings. Flashing now shows the current local time. Press the setting button. Press up and down to change it. Confirm. Press the setting button again to change the minute. Press up and down. Confirm. Press the down, it will show backwards time. Now we set the backwards time is 2 a.m. If you want to change it, firstly press the setting button, then press up and down to change it. In the same way, press the setting button again to change the minute. Once you finish changing the time, press the setting button again. It will enter backward setting. Use up and down to select. F00 is to set the number of cycles for backwash and fast rinse. Default 1 cycle. F01 stands for 2 cycles. Generally, the cycle sets according to the quality of raw water. If the raw water is dirty, it's recommended to adjust to F01 or F02. 103 means backwashing 1 time every 3 days. Press the setting and up and down to change the time. If the water is good, you can backwash it every 3 or 4 days. If the water is dirty, you can backwash it every 1 or 2 days. 210 means the backwash time. Each backwash cycle requires 10 minutes. 310 means the fast rinse time. Each fast rinse cycle requires 10 minutes. The time of backwash and fast rinse can be changed. Now the cosine filter valve setup is complete. Now we show you how to set the valve of activated carbon filter. Similarly, you can start setting up after unlocking the valve. The valve models of activated carbon filter and the cosine filter are the same, so the settings almost the same. The only difference is, if the system automatically do backwashes, the backwash time of activated carbon filter needs to be adjusted. For example, the cosine filter backwash time is setting at 2 a.m. Total backwash time is 20 minutes. So activated carbon filter backwash can be set to 2 a.m. and more or less. So just after the cosine filter is finished the process of backwash, then activated carbon filter will start the process of backwash. Now we show you how to set the valve of water softener. Similarly, you can start setting up after unlocking. The backwash time of water softener should be after the activated carbon filter. If the activated carbon filter backwash time is 2 a.m., water softener time should be delayed by another 20 minutes. So here we can set it to 2:50 a.m. Similarly, 103 here represents backwash and regeneration every 3 days. 210 is the backwash time. This time can also be set. It can be set to 8 or 9 minutes. 360 represents the brain absorption time. The brain water from the brain tank is sucked into the filter through the brain suction pipe, so as to regenerate the resin. This time is now set to 16 minutes. It can be set according to the filter pressure. If the pressure is high, this time can be shortened to 50 to 55 minutes. Then is water filling time. The brain tank needs to be filled with water through the activated carbon filter. Because in the previous step, we have already washed the brain water in the brain tank, so now it's time to refill the brain tank. The water filling time is currently set to 10 minutes in the same principle. When the system pressure is high, such as 3 kg, the water in the brain tank may be full in 10 minutes, and it will overflow from the brain tank. So you need to set this individually according to the pressure. If 10 minutes is too long, it can change to 8 minutes. Then observing if the water level in the brain tank is just right in 10 minutes. Just set it to 10 minutes. Then 5 minutes backwash time is the same, and you can change it yourself. But in general, 5 minutes is enough. The display now is B01. This does not need to be set because this is control signal from the control wall to the RO system. Now the settings for water softener are not complete.